Hello friends, welcome back to Cooking Stories. Today we will prepare Kerala style sambar in a quick and easy way. So get ready and let's start cooking. In a cooker, add half cup of washed tur dal. Add half cup and a quarter cup of water. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Close the lid and cook it for 3 whistles. In a heavy bottomed vessel or kadhai, add 1 tablespoon oil, half cup of sambar onions, around 2 green chilies cut into half, few curry leaves, saute it for few seconds, add 1 cup of chopped pumpkins, 1 potato chopped into long pieces, half cup of chopped drumsticks, tamarind water which we prepared by soaking lemon-sized tamarind in 1.5 cups of water for 10 minutes and then squeezing out the juice out of it. Give it a good mix. Add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, around 5 cloves of garlic. Now close the lid and cook it till vegetables are half cooked. As an easy way, you can also cook these vegetables in a cooker for 1 whistle. In a separate pan, heat around 1 tablespoon oil. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, and half teaspoon hing. Now saute it for few seconds so that the raw smell goes away. Once done, keep it aside. Once vegetables are half cooked, we will add 1 small carrot chopped into long pieces, 2 small tomatoes chopped into long pieces, half cup of chopped brinjal. You can also add chopped lady's fingers at this stage. Add the masala prepared earlier. Add 2 cups of water. Give it a good mix. Once water starts boiling, add the cooked dal into it. Stir it well. We will add a small piece of jaggery into it. If you want more watery consistency, add half more cup of water. Stir it well and at this point check for salt. We are adding 2 more teaspoons of salt into it. Close the lid and cook it till all the vegetables are done well. Once all the vegetables are cooked nicely, we will add half teaspoon fenugreek seeds powder, few coriander leaves, and switch off the flame. In a separate pan, add 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 dried red chilies, few curry leaves. Now we will saute till mustard seed starts to splutter. Finally add this tadka to the sambar and give it a good mix. Our Kerala style sambar is ready. Do try this simple recipe next time when you prepare dosa, idli or rice. If you enjoyed watching our videos, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for our future videos.